Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a Redmi Note 13 Pro, and let me share with you how to change the ringtone on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to tap on the sound and vibration. Then let's choose ringtone. And as you can see, we will be immediately transferred to this ringtone section in the themes. So here we've got some online ringtones. If you'd like to, you can always choose pre-installed ringtones, so those which are basically installed by a default on the device. So it's up to you. I'll choose something from the online ringtones to show you how to do it. Let me choose maybe this bright option. Of course, you can check all of other options. Just tap on the album, and if you want to listen how the particular ringtone sounds, simply tap on it, and you will be able to decide whether you like it, whether you want to set it as your own ringtone. And after deciding that you like this one, make sure that you will tap on this bell icon. Your device will ask you if you want to set this ringtone, so just tap on OK, it will download it. And as you can see, we've got this info, so we can go back. And as you can see, it is immediately notified in this section, which means that from now on, your device will use the chosen ringtone to notify about the incoming call. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.